Disney has put out a brand new streaming service full of all your favorite movies and shows from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and more. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Disney Plus account with a 1-week free trial. Now let's get started. To begin, go to DisneyPlus.com in your browser. Then click Try Now. Type in your email address. If you'd like to receive promotional emails from Disney, click the checkbox below. Then click Agree and Continue. Now type in a password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long and include at least one number or special symbol. Click Continue. Now you can choose whether you want a monthly or annual membership after your 1-week trial ends. Click the membership you'd like to select. Then enter your payment information. You can pay by credit card or use your PayPal account. You will only be billed after the free trial ends. Enter the required information for the payment option you've selected. When you're done, click Agree and Subscribe. After that, you're all set. Click Start Streaming Disney Plus to access the hundreds of shows and movies available for streaming. We're so excited to have easy access to all our favorite Disney classics. We hope you enjoy this new streaming service as much as we do. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.